In this lecture, we will learn how to find the LCM or the method 1. LCM means least common multiple. So we'll learn this with help of example. So suppose we have there is a school, and in that school there are three activities. The first activity is river crossing, second activity is a jogging. We can see here these activities. So this is river crossing, first activities. Another activity is jogging, and last activity is view jumping. The river crossing activity starts all these three activities, activity 1, 2, and 3, they start at the same time. But reverse crossing activity takes 5 minutes, and every 5 minutes it is getting repeated. And this jobbing activity starts after every 12th minute. Means every 12 minutes this activity takes a 12 minute, and after every 12 minute it is getting again started. And the last activity uh, takes 15 minutes, and after ending the 15 minutes it's again starting. So all these activities start at the same time and continue, but they have different durations. We can see here 5-minute duration, here 12-minute duration, and here 15-minute duration. Now once the activity started, what will be the least amount of time when all the three activities restart again? That is the question. Means once this activity started, as their intervals are different, what will be the least amount of time when again all three activity will start at the same time? So that is what we are going to find. So for that we are using a method called as a I can call it as method 1, finding the common multiples. Method 1, finding the common multiples. So we now know that the first activity starts after every 5 minutes. So we will write it as a 5 here. Another activity starts after every 12 minutes. And our last activity takes 15 minutes to start again. All these activities starting at the same time, and they will be continuing, and we need to find a least amount of time where they will again start at the same time. So for that, we will write down a straightforward a table of 5. So 5's table is 5, 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So we'll keep writing 40, 45, 50. I think it's taking a pretty amount of space. 55, 60, 65. We'll keep adding 5 because we are multiplying it with itself, like 5 to the 10, 5. In that way, we are after 50, we are adding 5. So 55, again, we are adding 5 here. So 55, afterwards 60, 65. Same way, we will do for 12th. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fifths are 60, 12 sixths are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. And last is a 15. So similarly, we'll write down the table of 15. 15 to 51 is 50, 52 is 30, 53 is 45, 54 is 60, 55 is 75, 56 is 90, 57 is 105, 58 is 120, 59 is 135, and 50 is 150. Now, afterwards, what we need to do is like we need to find the common multiple, and we can see that the common multiple, if we see 5, 12, 15, it is not a common. There is a 5, 12, 15, nothing is common. 12, 24, 30, nothing common. So if we continue to see, we can see that the first common factor is appearing at 60. 60. You see this 60 because this common factor is also available in 15, least common factor. And this we need to also get it from the 5. So if we see, we have here. Before that, there is no any common factor. So once we write down the table, we can see that 60 is a common factor. So what it means is like once this computation will start, after 60 minutes, it will start again on the same time. Before that, it will not start with the same time because what happened, it after let me explain. Like when it starts, the first activity will take 5 minutes. Sorry, the first activity will take 5 minutes, another 12, and then 15. So next round it will start at 10, but in next round this will start at 24. So these are starting, and next round this will start at 30. So these all are starting at different timing. So as this continue, this activity, so all up to 60, all these activities are starting at a different time. But at 60, they will again, as they have common 60 factor, least common. So at 60, they will again come to the level where they will start at the same time. So that is the LCM. So since since 60 is the smallest multiple, LCM of this is 60 minutes, or these guys will restart again, or at the time once they start the activities, they will again restart the activities after 60 minutes at the same time. Otherwise, they will have little bit different time. Now, as we learned how to find the LCM using multiple methods, now it is time for us to solve examples which are exactly similar to the one which we learned previously. So example one is like playground swings, and this example says that three children take turn on different playground swings. Child A takes turn every 4 minutes, child B takes turn every 6 minutes, child C takes turns every 8 minutes. So the question is, after how many minutes will all three children start swinging together at the same time? So initially they will start at the same time, but afterwards they will not be at the same time because they have different intervals. But there will be one point come when they all will be swinging at the same time again. So that is the point, that is the time we need to find, or indirectly we need to find the LCM, or least common multiple of all these three, 4, 6, and 8. 4, 6, and 8. And in second example, school bus ring. A school bus has three different bells that ring at a different intervals. The first bell rings at 5 minutes, second bell rings at 10 minutes, and the last bell rings at 15 minutes. So once they start ringing, the first time they will ring at the same time, but after that they will not become again the same time uh, immediately. So after multiple times, at the certain point they will ring again at the same time. That time we need to find. That means we need to find the multiple least common multiple for this. So try to solve this and find your answers, and I will and then you can pause the video and check your answers whether those answers are correct or not. Okay, so the answer of example 1 is 24. If you come, your answer is also 24, then congratulations. If not, then try to find what went wrong. And answer for the example 2 is 30 minutes. So check this. If your answer is 30 minutes, then you really understood the concept of the LCM well, and congratulations. And in next video we will learn another method of finding the LCM.